My name is Yomar Caterina Zapata Camargo, and this time I will talk about the effect that technology has on the environment, how I see the future of our planet, and how to mitigate environment damage. From my point of view, I consider that technology has a negative and direct impact on the environment because we are used to asking and demanding more than nature can give us. Public works, for example, roads, buildings, bridges, and farms, damage the ecosystem where many animals and plant species live. The increase in energy consumption increases the production of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, resulting in air pollution and global warming of the planet, reducing the thickness of the ozone layer. The generation of waste for technology activities produce pollution waste that is difficult to dispose of, for example, plastic and nuclear waste. The future of our planet, unless we take urgent measures to avoid it, will bring us impressive environmental disaster. I believe that in the future, climate change will be worse, with more hurricanes that will destroy everything in the path. Thousands of animal species will disappear. The glacier poles will melt more, contributing to sea level rise and flooding entire cities. Finally, to mitigate environmental damage, measured bases of sustainable development must be taken. For example, use energy moderately, reduce water consumption, and use biodegradable materials. It's necessary to sensitize and offer environment training to the workers of the companies. In addition, to moderate the pollutant volume of wastewater. Thank you.